Blackrock breaks the silence. There are some huge things going behind the scenes. The Uptober finally starts today. Shiba Inu team drops a huge bombshell. And it was pretty expected, since they were preparing us all for a long time. All the attention towards the 1st October, the day that changes everything. This makes me bullish again. But why should you be excited too? What is actually happening? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. What a terrible day yesterday was. Shiba Inu took a huge hit when one of the tokens in its ecosystem was delisted from one of the largest exchanges in the world. This has caused serious damage to the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. And now, some people believe that this could be a turning point. And there's even talk that the price of Shiba Inu might drop so much that it could add another zero to its value. This is so crazy. Just recently, Shiba Inu had a brief spike but quickly pulled back, showing signs of struggling to keep up its bullish momentum. This is completely opposite to what people were expecting. Just last week, Shiba Inu had surged over 50% in just a couple of days, making everyone excited about its potential rise. But the delisting of Leash changed everything. It caused a lot of panic, leading to a significant price crash for Shiba Inu. And even though this crash caught everyone off guard, many people seem to understand why it happened. However, the fear that Shiba Inu could crash even further and add another decimal point to its price is something that nobody was prepared for. This news has been devastating for the Shiba Inu community, and it has shaken the confidence of many investors who were hopeful for a continued rise. The Shiba Inu community is now fighting hard to stop these predictions of the price getting worse from coming true. For example, just today, Shiba Inu saw a massive 360% spike in large transactions as big traders started stepping in. This shows that everyone is making an effort to hold the price and prevent things from getting out of hand. Shiba Inu has always been known for its strong, dedicated community, and this could be the one thing that turns the situation around. Right now, that strength needs to be put to use, because if the community doesn't rally together, things could get even worse on the price chart. And yes, some people might be overreacting and panicking more than they should, but the reality is, it's happening. Instead of focusing on the panic, it's more important to focus on how to fix the situation. This is the better approach because time is critical, and acting fast could help stabilize things before the damage grows. The situation is urgent, and the community's unity is the best tool to stop the downward spiral. And now, here's something interesting. We all remember how Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, tried to calm the community yesterday with her Twitter post. But today, she took a completely different approach, something that caught everyone off guard. It's a bombshell announcement, as some might say. Lucy revealed a brand new mobile game called Shiboshi Run. In her tweet, she said, "Get ready for Shiboshi Rush, the exciting new game. In this action-packed adventure, players will fend off the Shadowcat army with their Shiboshi army." This is huge news because we haven't practically seen a new mobile game since Shiba Eternity, and that was quite a while ago. This update could really help bring back hope for investors. A new game means more engagement, and that could spark renewed interest in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Plus, there's a bonus to this. The Shiba Inu developers rarely release games just for fun. These games usually have some benefits for the ecosystem, like Shiba Inu burns or other features that help the community. Although we don't know what those benefits will be yet, people are buzzing with excitement to find out. This could be the fresh start everyone has been looking for. The idea behind the game is both funny and interesting. Shadowcats have always been a part of the Shiba Inu story, but recently, they've started to rise more than ever. In the world of business, Shadowcats represent challenges or threats that can pop up unexpectedly, like competitors or negative market forces. They remind us that while there's a lot of excitement, there are also risks to be aware of. So the concept behind Shiboshi Run is really clever. It captures the playful spirit of Shiba Inu, while also addressing these Shadowcat challenges that are all too real in the crypto space. The timing of this game's release couldn't be better, especially with everything going on in the community. It offers a fun way for investors and fans to engage with the brand while also providing a lighthearted take on the challenges they face. This game could help bring the community together, turning a tough moment into something positive and entertaining. But is this enough to get Shiba Inu back on track to its recent price pump of over 50% in just a couple of days, which was suddenly halted by unexpected news? Well, let's find out. What's interesting is that the answer lies in today's announcement from Blackrock. So, what is it about? Robert Mitchnick, the head of digital assets at financial giant Blackrock, talked about the underwhelming performance of Ethereum ETFs. He predicted that things aren't going to improve anytime soon. Michnik explained that many investors are hesitant to invest in Ether because they find its investment story more confusing. Even though Ethereum ETFs might look like massive failures compared to the Bitcoin products launched in early 2024, Michnik pointed out that their performance is decent when you compare them to other ETF products struggling to reach $1 billion in inflows over several years. However, this still highlights how uninterested institutional investors are in altcoins. This lack of interest proves that investors are still cautious about diversifying into altcoins, and this is actually a huge discovery. Today marks the beginning of October, a month that's known to be super bullish for the crypto space. Just like one Twitter user pointed out, in every election year, Bitcoin was green in October, November, and December. Also, whenever September is green, October, November, and December have also been positive. So far, September has been positive, and it's also an election year. It's hard to be bearish now. This insight suggests that we're entering an exciting time for the entire crypto space. And with the Shiba Inu team's efforts, this could also be a great opportunity for Shiba Inu specifically. If historical trends hold true, we might see a positive shift in the market, helping to make us go to the moon. The combination of seasonal patterns and the community's dedication makes this an optimistic moment for everyone involved. But that's not the point I wanted to make. The main point is that many people were expecting this bull run to be driven by institutional adoption. However, as BlackRock's update today shows, there's a lack of institutional interest in altcoins. And at first glance, this seems like bad news for altcoins, since a huge wave of liquidity won't be flowing their way. But on the flip side, it can actually be good news because it makes it easier to predict what will happen in the coming months. If institutional investors were involved, it would bring a lot of uncertainty and unpredictability. With their participation, we would face a completely new landscape, making it difficult to forecast market trends. And now, with only seasoned crypto investors, those who have been around for a long time, participating, we can rely on historical patterns to guide our predictions. This is much simpler and gives us clearer insight into where the market might head next. One of the most recent forecasts for Shiba Inu comes from an experienced market analyst known as Shiba Knight. This expert, who has been a crypto investor since 2017, has identified several key price targets for the meme coin. According to recent information shared on X, the analyst has highlighted potential price levels that Shiba Inu could reach in the near future, along with some important support levels to watch. For larger investors, often referred to as whales, there's a specific buying zone that has been pointed out, which is crucial for those looking to make significant investments. This analysis fits well with the broader trends expected as we move into October. As it was already mentioned, historically this time of year has often seen spikes in the value of Shiba Inu, and many in the market believe we could see a similar trend as October progresses. Overall, there's a sense of optimism that Shiba Inu may experience upward movement soon. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.